Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to add a GIF to Instagram story. So first of all, open up your Instagram application. Now choose the story and select that text. Okay, and you have to just slide and choose that GIF option. Now here you can see add a GIF to your story, so you have to search for that GIF which you want to update. Like if you're hungry and you want to search any kind of GIF related to hungry, so you can simply choose by yourself, and you can also add stickers, location, and just you can just do whatever you like and simply share this as a story. So I hope you guys understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with the 5-minute solution.